Previously on Corpse Party.
Oh, no.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons.
What is going on, everybody? It is me, and I'm back with some more Corpse Party. And I'm kind of sick, as you can see in the last description, but I'm just gonna go for it. So, probably not gonna be talking that much during this, but whatever. Oh, get out of here. Bye-bye. What was... Ooh. I knew it couldn't be this easy.
なんで開かねえんだ。
Let
出せよ。
us out.
うるさいな、もう。
Wow. That's
No.
sassy.
たとえ相手も私は行かない。先生やみんなを置いて逃げるの。
All our friends. No.
なんだよ。
臆病者、卑怯者。
Oh no. That's not very nice.
お前こそうるせえよ。
That's also not very nice. Come on, let's just go. Wish I would have cheated. Gasp. Oh. Crap, the dude's out here. Get out of here. Go this way. Let's try going back to the... I only have the other leads. We saw Mayu and those two ghosts. I don't want to get stuck again. Set our head on an old-fashioned festival doll line. You're out here. Pick it up. I hear a voice.
体を
Turn my body. Oh, I'm guessing there's a body to it. Okay. Where in the world do I go to find that? Where's the music at? Music's cool. Oh no. Get out of here. Oh no. Feeling if he touches me, it's a bad end, so I must juke him. Ready? Jukes. What's up here? That's where the corpses are. Yep. My friends. My best pals forever. Best pals. What's over here? It won't open. Doll! It's an old-fashioned... Yes! Pick it up. Well, that's seemingly from the doll. Somehow now it's found a way to communicate soul desire. What the? Your voice, give me back my head. But I have its head. So head and body are joined if you keep speaking more clearly and directly. With a high-pitched voice like that of a child, all your piece of phrases in a cold, methodical, and almost robotic monotone. Okay, this sounds like a creepy movie or something. I not wanting to die. I was scared too. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So very sorry. I'm actually a good person. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So very sorry.
なんだこの人形は。
ふざけないで。
Take you off. I'm
落ちたよ。
just going around. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So very sorry.
こんな人形。
待てよ。
Wait, only thing in my car.
なあ、それ。
Oh yeah, that's what the one girl, Naho, said you need to do. Right?
許せない。
No, so this is let's go back to the... Where's he at? I don't want him to just run up into me. See what goes down. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance. Let's make a night. You won't forget. Ooh. Let's go save a friend. Yeah.
鈴本。
お願い。
Oh no.
お前ら。
Haven't even started
お前らの
already.
事件については
Anything that happened.
気の毒だったと思うよ。だからって誰から構わず呪いまき散らしたところで何になるって言うんだ。こら
Oh, it said cop.
ダメよ、怒らせちゃう。話ができない。あなたたち。
Do you have something you need to hear? Okay, just... Penitent spirit sort of thing. Meh. Meh. Wait, she doesn't have a tongue. Meh. Mommy. Mommy. Yeah, mommy. Sob, sob.
気持ちを安らか
You
に
can
し
rest
て。
peacefully now, okay? You don't have to keep
も
suffering.
う苦
I
しま
showed
な
you
く
this
てもいい
doll.
のよ。
You're good. Bye. Okay, thanks. Bye.
悲しい出来事はもう
Horrible
終わっ
things
た
happened
わ。
in the past. You loved ones.
大好きなご両
The
親の
parents are
も
waiting
と
for
へ。
you. Go to them now. Yay, we're gonna save our friend. Please, I know you can do it. She's just standing there like with her eyes closed like, oh,
鈴本さんを話し
who
てあ
are
げ
you
て。
people? Like, what, that girl? Let go, Susan. Yeah, let her live. Uh-oh. What's happening? No, stop. What? No. What's happening? No. No! No, I swear. Oh! No. 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 No, no, no. No. Oh! Oh my goodness!
なんだよこれ。
Oh.
まさかこれ
No. Oh my gosh, that was her. At least Yoshiki lived. He's my favorite character. I'm just so glad he didn't die. Why did it have to be the little girl? It's so cruel. Go after her. She's just gonna run away. No. No! No, I... No. Oh my goodness. That's karma for you, Anthony. Schloop, yeah, go. Oh my gosh, no! I was just talking. So first the little girl gets splattered against the wall, and then my favorite character gets dragged away unconscious. And of course, the crazy girl who keeps getting possessed runs away. What? She's dead. What? What is happening? What is happening this episode? Exhale, pant, pant.
先生
So you really,
本気で
truly,
生徒の
truly
ことを
concerned
心
about
配
the
して
students, are you? Of course I am.
たかが他人の教師だろ
But I'm alive.
親でもないくせに
親みたいなものよ。
Children. Gasp a bubble.
私も
I think for every single one of us.
みんなのご両親にも負け
The
ないく
children
ら
we
い
care about them just as parents do.
バカにしないで
Oh!
教師を。
Never underestimate a teacher with her arm hanging by a limb. Ooh. Ooh, Chloe.
それよりも答えて
Yeah, answer me this. Your little rant earlier
私の生徒
suggested
た
that
ち
one
が
of us
他に
seems
も
to hear than the two I came with and the one I heard.
ここに連れてこられ
Sure,
てい
we'll
るの
get
は
one here as well. It is.
聖者の魂同時に増えたのは先生を含め
Captain US here out of 9 people. Ooh, my right arm is definitely and all this blood.
棚に入っていた
Always
服が
cutting into the shelf and something on the back.
これ気を
I
失っ
wonder
た
how
の
long
か
was
し
that
ら
for.
篠崎さんたちが心配だわ
You shouldn't must be worried. Nope, one of them's running away screaming, and one of them's being dragged unconscious by this giant zombie headed.
被害者が被害者をきれない思いで膨れ上がった私を逃げ場もないこんなところにいたらダメお願いだから無事でいて
One of them's hanging, one of them's sitting against the wall, one of them's getting dragged away, and one of them's running away screaming. You haven't been mental about this before. This is a play ball and have to face it. That was the worst possible ending that could possibly happen. Yoshiki, no, he was such a pimp. I was actually really hoping that was a wrong end. But of course. Well, gonna have to end the episode here then. It's pretty short, but got the chapter down. So I guess chapter 3 begins next time, everybody. So that's all from me. Hope you guys have a great day. See you later. Bye-bye.
I'm not a fan of puppeteers, but I have a nagging fear someone else is pulling up the strings. Something terrible is going down.